I love a challenge. My name's Fairhead. I am the workshop supervisor at Sandvik. I'm now looking after underground drills and surface drills. I have worked with Sandvik for 3 years, and for one of those years I've been the workshop supervisor. Putting myself out of my comfort zone has been fantastic. Looking after the guys on the floor, because that's really who we depend on to get things happening here. Without them, we wouldn't be here. I get here just before 6, a lot of organisation, a lot of running around, trying to get the guys everything they need. Check on pre-deliveries, check on missing parts, make a lot of phone calls. If the guys are unsure, I'm quite happy to go out there and run them through step by step what we need to do. What I'm most excited about Sandvik and my progression is going further with them and what they can provide, especially internationally, is something I'm looking forward to. Definitely seeing more of what they've got to offer. My favourite part about coming to work every day is definitely the people I get to work with. The people on the floor, the people in the office, they're all fantastic. That's why I come here every day, and it's the culture that we drive. I love it.